Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it. Looks like on the daily time frame on Market Cipher, Bitcoin is looking a little bit weaker, but we'll see where this takes us. As we can see that the momentum waves are curving up right now, but we would definitely want to be wary. Right, we do just because the momentum waves are curving up. We can see that the bullish numbers are getting weaker. We had a 12 before, and now we have a 9. It was a green dot on the 12 hour. Actually, we still have that green dot, except now it looks like we had got another red dot, and it did take a little bit of a dump to the upside, the downside, sorry. Bit of a burp, but we'll see where that takes us. I'm not too worried personally. I think we might actually get a nice little bounce here from these levels, maybe a little relief rally up to 50,000. At which point we could possibly continue reversing down to lower levels, right? Right now we see that we broke down from this little ascending. You could call this a little bear flag if you want, or this consolidation as you will. But we did break down from it, and then we had a breakdown from that, and then we went down all the way to 44,200. And then we got some news today that Litecoin partnered up with Walmart, which was some fake news in the end, and it actually just pumped up to 46,700, and then got rejected from there again, and then he had a huge dump all the way down to 43,700, and then we slowly trended back up to 45,300, at which point we retouched this bull flag right here, sorry, this bear flag right here. And we actually have, I guess you could say, 2 touch points right now, but looks like the RSI got a little bit weaker, so potentially we could maybe be breaking that down to the downside back to 43,800. Maybe we'll find a double bottom there, but at this point I think that we have a pretty good chance of reaching the $42,000 levels, at which point we would probably find some really strong support there. And if we do get into this green resistance box, we still have this major trend line right here to look at. As we can see right here, zooming out, we have this trend line right here that we can look at. That's a good point of reference. Let's see, there we go. That's a one big one right there that we could definitely maybe retest and maybe take a bounce from there. But yeah, we'll see. Time will tell. We don't want to make any crazy bets right now. And looking at the EMA ribbons on the daily time frame. Oh yeah, by the way, the golden cross, as everyone is talking about, is going to happen very, very soon. Or if it hasn't happened already, it depends on the chart that you're looking at. On the 1 hour, it looks like they're about to cross. But if we could definitely maybe get a dump from here, even though they cross, it could definitely dump. But we don't want to be too negative. We'll see where it takes us. It's just trending sideways, basically at where the crosses are. And right now we want to look at the 21 weekly and see where that's at, and that's basically where we're finding our support right now at 43,800, where the 21 weekly is, or 43,200. And as you can see right here, something I also want to talk about that is that I did submit the claim on Bitget that everyone has been asking me about all day today. Is yes, I did send everyone's UIDs and the amounts that you've lost, and trying to recover all the funds that everyone lost during this dump, because some of the orders were not filling, or people could not place orders during this massive dump that happened from 52,000 all the way down to 42,000. Right, this was like a $10,000 drop, and apparently there was some. I don't know if I'm allowed to release this information, so I won't. But there was some problems on the Bitget exchange and multiple exchange actually about people like placing massive orders to sell BTC. So this could have been potentially manipulation, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, it happened, and this is where we're at. We're just gonna trade our way through it, and right now I think if we don't break back into this bear flag right here, I think we have a good chance of getting rejected and maybe potentially going down to the downside. And if we do form a lower low and the R side makes a higher high, then I'd definitely be potentially entering some longs at these levels right here. And sorry, now we're gonna take a look at the EMA ribbons. Enough of that. So we'll take a look at the EMA ribbons right here. Right, I've been talking about some breakdowns, but we'll see where we can find some bullish scenarios right here. On the daily time frame, we are still holding the support right here, right? The last EMA ribbon, the 55 EMA. We're still right here. It's not the end of the world. On the weekly time frame, we're very bullish. You know, we're still in a bull trend technically. This could just be another consolidation before some more upside. I know some of the other big YouTubers are predicting some massive moves coming into soon, so we'll see if that plays out. But yeah, so far we've been holding it. And if we do end up breaking down, then this would be pretty dramatic. You're going to see a big drop all the way to 42, and then the EMA ribbons are going to start to cross over, something like this right here, where the price is going to go down, and it's probably going to come back up. And after the EMA ribbons start to cross over, you're going to see a retest the ribbons, and then it's going to become resistance again, something like we saw right here. It's going to dump like crazy, and then we're going to see a retest and a retest and a retest. But I don't think that that's going to happen, but we'll see. Time will tell, as always. Anyways, I'm pretty tired right now, guys. Probably going to head off to bed soon. You guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. We're at 4,000 subscribers. We're doing really amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Peace.